X turns to Google for ads. A risky move or a smart one? Let's find out. This is Neil Patel, helping you succeed through online marketing.
All right, so we're going to talk about how X, formerly known as Twitter, has now turned to Google to sell programmatic ads as it struggles to regain ad dollars. So this piece came from Ad Age.
Well, Twitter used to partner with Bing, and it was April 2023 where they got dropped from Bing, and now it is Google. This is an easy way for them to crank up and just get hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars in ad revenue over time, because Google has the inventory, and because they have the inventory, they have probably one of the largest advertising networks out there, if not the largest advertising network out there, because they're bigger than Facebook from ad dollars. So if they plug in Twitter, more inventory, advertisers are happy, easier for them to just integrate campaigns that are pretty broad and just push it out on Twitter as well.
Look, there's a sub headline here saying how it's a risky move for Google. I'm going to stop the share, but it's also a risky move because Google has to hold X accountable for its publisher standards. There's a lot of crazy stuff that's published sometimes.
Dude, I don't think it's a risky move from them. Dude, check this out. Okay. Yes, even if X, and I'm not saying they will, but let's hypothetically say X breaks some policies and Google gets some heat for it. You think companies are going to stop advertising on Google? No, it drives too much revenue. It drives such a massive ROI. Google's not going to be impacted. It's just like, dude, you remember everyone would be like, oh, let's ban Facebook and not use social media. Well, Facebook's still making a killing on ad revenue. It doesn't matter what people think. At the end of the day, if businesses can generate profit from it, they're going to keep spending in most cases.
I think, Neil, correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, last time we saw they were 40-50% down on their ad revenue.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think it's long term, it's probably a good move for both sides. And I think with Elon reducing 85% of staff and shipping a ton more features,
I think it's actually going to make X ads more expensive over time because there's going to be more people competing for the inventory.
There's a lot of hiring. There's a lot of restructuring that's happening right now basically it's just what I said, right? And so I think it's going to take some time to see the fruits of this labor. Anything else, Neil?
Nope. Go try advertising on X. It's still cheaper than it was a year ago, and we're seeing still great ROI from it.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.